A look inside Anna Wintour and Bill Nighy's relationship as dating rumors continue. Anna Wintour and Bill Nighy have been friends for over 2 decades, and the pair have been spotted together in London. But are they more than just friends? Anna Wintour and Bill Nighy's relationship continues to fuel dating rumors as they prepare for the 2024 Met Gala, the hottest fashion event of the year and a spectacle of historical influence and artistic imagery. Vogue's Anna Wintour personally selects a mix of influential celebrities to help organize the event each year. This time around, Bad Bunny, Zendaya, Chris Hemsworth and Jennifer Lopez are among those who will serve as part of the chair. The dress code, the Garden of Time, perfectly complements the post-gala fashion exhibit and theme, Sleeping Beauties, Reawakening Fashion. The Met Gala sees celebrity guests pushing the boundaries with their outfits. However, it's not just their sartorial choices that make headlines. Sometimes, it's who they choose to accompany them, like Anna herself and her close friend Bill Nighy. Last year, the pair caused a quite stir when they arrived together, immediately sparking romance rumors. Eyebrows were raised when Anna and Bill graced the 2023 Met Gala red carpet arm in arm. Anna was seen beaming next to the Love Actually star while wearing a patterned coat over a long silver skirt. Bill, paying tribute to the late Karl Lagerfeld, opted for a dark suit paired with a blue tie and white shirt. So, what is the deal with Anna Wintour and Bill Nighy's connection? Well, the fashion icon and the esteemed actor struck up a friendship back in the early noughties, finding common ground in their passion for the arts. They've been seen together at numerous high-profile events, such as when Nighy debuted his Broadway play The Vertical Hour in 2006. Anna was supporting him from the audience.